At Saginaw Control Engineering, people build more than products. They build futures. Since 1963, we've grown steadily by combining innovation, quality, and teamwork. Here, you'll find stability, opportunity, and a schedule that lets you enjoy life outside of work. We're always looking for hardworking people ready to build a rewarding career. At SCE, we focus on career growth and a good work-life balance for our employees. The benefits here allow our employees to enjoy their life and worry less. Our production schedule is set, no swing shifts, Monday through Friday, so you can always count on being able to make weekend plans and get time to recharge. Along with Saturdays and Sundays off, you will have paid time off and paid holidays, so you can get away with your family or just have some time to yourself. We want you to be part of our talented, results-oriented, innovative group here at SCE. Visit SaginawControl.com to learn more and start your career today. From an entry-level position, you can advance through the company with dedication and hard work. We offer a merit-based evaluation system that rewards hard work, positive attitudes, and reliability. The path you take is up to you, whether it is operating state-of-the-art equipment, troubleshooting manufacturing issues, designing our enclosures, working on the sales team, or countless opportunities in between. We have the right fit for you. If you already have experience, we've got opportunities for you as well. As our company grows, all areas of the business require new talent and fresh ideas. SCE is a leader in our industry thanks to the skills and enthusiasm of our employees. We have an open culture that promotes communication and collaboration. Our employees are our biggest asset, and their ideas are what make our mission of continuous improvement possible. Communication drives innovation and growth. This helps us create a safe, clean, organized work environment that is designed to limit the hazards and physical work that can be part of a production environment. You will use some of the most state-of-the-art equipment, including laser technology, automated welding and grinding operations, top-of-the-line powder coating equipment, and ergonomically designed assembly operations to safely and comfortably perform your job. At SCE, you can build a career and a life to be proud of. We offer health insurance, starting first day of employment for you and your family with no weekly premiums. That means real, quality coverage without the costly weekly deductions. A consistent Monday through Friday work schedule, company-wide events, a safety-focused environment, strong team support, and meaningful, challenging work. This is where you can achieve your goals. For over 60 years, our culture, values, and opportunities have helped people succeed and build their futures. Apply today at SaginawControl.com and achieve your goals at Saginaw Control Engineering.